Hello, today we're going to cook Lechon Kawali. Lechon Kawali is a deep fried pork to describe in a simplest way. The ingredients are very simple. You can easily find in your kitchen: ground pepper, bay leaf, vinegar, and salt. There are two processes involved in cooking Lechon Kawali. First is boiling with ground pepper, salt, and bay leaf. This process is necessary. Without boiling, you will get a different outcome. During this step, it is necessary that the pork gets really tender. Give it at least a good 30 minutes for boiling. After boiling, let the water drip while it is cooling down. Poke the skin with fork so that the excess water inside the meat will come out, and when we are putting salt later, it will be easily absorbed. I also put square cuts on top of the pork belly on the skin part. Don't go beyond the fat part. It's good to have cuts in here right now because when it is cooked, it will be easier to follow the lines when cutting. After cutting, pour the vinegar and sprinkle a good amount of salt. The cuts on top is also good in absorbing those ingredients easily. Then air dry it for about 3 to 5 hours. This is the texture of freshly boiled and air dried. You can easily distinguish those two pictures, the fresh boiled and the air dried. The second process of cooking Lechon Kawali is deep frying, but today I'm going to use oven. Grill at 375 for 30 minutes. Then turn the other side. Grill the same way, 30 minutes at 375 degrees. This is Lechon Kawali after an hour in the oven. It is so nice and crispy. You can hear the crackling sound of the pork skin while cutting. And this is what I was saying a while ago while we are preparing. Putting square cuts on the pork skin while preparing, it gives you a cutting guide when you are done from the oven. When serving this, it's good to have a spiced vinegar on the side. If you want to know how to make spiced vinegar, you can check out on my other videos about making spiced vinegar. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, let's make cooking fun and enjoyable.